Hey guys, it's me again back here for another video today. This video is gonna have foul language in it, so make sure you don't let your children on this under the age of 13 or 12 actually. This video might cause foul language and swearing and that, so I don't know why I made this video, so don't ask me. So yeah. So today I made this video for everyone on here and that. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe, which is right there somewhere. So, I don't know, but I hope you guys enjoy this video, so let's head on with the video.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning in your area. Please listen to the following instructions. Hey, are you listening to me? I'm trying to save your life from dangerous weather. Don't just sit there, pay attention to me or otherwise I'll come to your house and break. Please just fucking listen to me. I know you're just watching that YouTube channel called Max Antone. Keep getting distracted, or I will break your windows so the tornado will destroy the inside of your house. Oh look, it's late, the tornado siren is already going off. Since it's going off, make sure you hide in the basement. Since no one doesn't wanna listen, I wanna quit this emergency alert system job. I'm breaking this window.
Jack, did you just break that window?
Of course I did, because I hate this job and no one doesn't want to listen because the stupid Indians just want to watch Max Antone instead of listening to this weather channel. So I quit this job. I'm breaking another window.
Did you just break another fucking window?
Don't ask about the stupid window. I just wanna fucking quit this job right now.
Just get the fuck out of here right now. I don't give a shit about you. You're fired.
Okay, since you fired me, I'm breaking another door so that way the tornado will destroy the inside of the building.
I don't care. Just get the frick off my lawn. I don't care about you. Get out right now. I am so sorry about that, everyone. I'll give you more message. Make sure you survive. Make sure you head under a basement or a shelter. Make sure you have all your supplies with you. And make sure you survive and stay safe out there. And good luck. This includes my message. Good luck surviving. This includes the message. Goodbye.